Different, Same by Heather Tekavec and illustrated by Pippa, Curnick. We are all different as can be. Take a quick look, it's easy to see. I gallop, I fly, I leap, I prowl, but look closer now, we all have stripes. I live in the jungle, I live in the Arctic, I live in the forest, I live in a house. But look closer now, we all have whiskers. I'm blubbery, I'm wrinkly, I'm bristly, I'm smooth. But look closer now, we all have tusks. I stalk, I race, I root, I roam. But look closer now, we all have manes. I'm leathery, I'm shiny, I'm shaggy, I'm lean, but look closer now, we all have horns. I'm a fast swimmer, I'm strong for my size, I have big claws, I burrow in sand, but look closer now, we all have shells. I tunnel underground, I hop through the meadow, I walk underwater, I flutter in the air. But look closer now, we all have antennas. I'm blue, I'm yellow, I'm black, I'm pink. But look closer now, we all have wings. I squeak, I meow, I growl, I hiss. But look closer now, we all have fangs. I perch, I slither, I plod, I swim. But look closer now, we all have scales. I curl into a ball, I puff up, I change color. I cling to rocks or reefs. But look closer now, we all have spikes. I'm sleek, I'm spiky, I have many arms. I'm black and white. But look closer now, we all have flippers or fins. I swim backward, I drift, I slide, I dig. But look closer now, we all have tentacles. If you look close enough, it soon becomes clear. We're not as different as we first appear. How many animals can you find that have spots, have webbed feet, are furry, have beaks, have no legs, make good pets, live in the ocean, live in the forest, have 6 or more legs, might live in your backyard? You would not like to touch. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.